My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called Cyber Shield. Cyber Shield is a special extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension indicate that some way or another it will help you to block advertisements. But the truth is that this extension is fairly considered as a potentially unwanted one, because it is typically spread through fake browser update alerts. That's why these pop-ups are extremely misleading. They use deceptive techniques for distributing this Cyber Shield extension, and also this extension, if installed, may periodically display a lot of advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. If this extension was installed by mistake, access the menu of your Chrome, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Then if you find this unwanted extension, disable and remove it completely. To make sure that your computer is free of other possibly hidden threats, I do recommend that you investigate the system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. Please get it on the official page, combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and begin investigating your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.